Making a timetable on Notion is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a timetable in Notion. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to the Notion website, of course, and I'm going to click on the first website. It will take me to their homepage. And now these are the pages. So I'm going to show you how to generate a timetable. So in order to make a timetable, you guys can also like type in and make a timetable by creating tables and stuff. But there's an easy way. So what you have to do is you have to go to the new tab and type in, I'm just going to write this, Notion editable timetables. And now I will go to this website. I've used this before. And what it will do is it will show us the pre-made templates for the timetables. So what I'm going to do is suppose I'm just going to select the perfect timetable for my choice. I'm just going to use this. So I'm just going to click on go to template here. What it will do is it will take me to this template. Now what you have to do is you have to click here in weekly agenda. You just have to click there and the whole template will appear in your screen. You just have to copy all of it, Control C, and then I will go back to my website and I'm just going to type Control V. And there you guys can see this custom timetable is now in my Notion's workspace. You guys can also customize it by tapping anything you guys want of your choice. So that's how you do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.